Introducing the FALCON WebOS Smart Camping TV range, the ultimate upgrade for your entertainment system in your caravan or motorhome. With all the features you are used to at home, now in your mobile home. The FALCON WebOS TVs come in 4 different sizes: 19, 22, 24 and 27 inch. So you can find the perfect size to fit your motorhome or caravan. Inside the box is the TV, with a sleek bezel-less design offering more screen for its size, along with a stand for stand mounting and screws for wall mounting. 2 power supply options allow the TV to be powered off of 12 volts when camping off-grid, or 240 volts when using mains power, along with the remote control for the TV and remote for the built-in DVD player. The FALCON WebOS TV is simple to set up. Begin by mounting the TV onto the stand provided, or wall mount using a standard VESA bracket and the 4 bolts to the back of the TV. Once mounted, power the TV. The TV can be powered off your 12-volt sockets if you are camping off-grid, or your 240-volt sockets when using electric hookup, or with a mains supply. You can connect the FALCON WebOS TV to the internet, allowing you to stream all your favorite shows, movies, and catch up. The FALCON WebOS TV comes with all the most popular platforms already downloaded, but it also has a built-in app store, so you can download whichever apps you would like. The FALCON WebOS Camping TV also has a built-in TV tuner and satellite tuner, so you can connect your aerial or satellite system to watch live TV. With multiple input options including 3 HDMI ports, so you can connect external devices like a skybox, 2 USB ports for recording and to play media from, and a built-in DVD player, a great backup when absolutely no signal is available. The TV comes with built-in speakers delivering rich and clear audio. It also comes with built-in Bluetooth 5.0, allowing you to pair a Bluetooth soundbar to enhance your audio experience and deliver a surround sound style system, or connect a pair of Bluetooth headphones so you can enjoy your movie while your partner can read their book. Voice control allows for even easier navigation and accessibility on the TV. With stunning 178-degree viewing angles, a clear image can be appreciated from any angle, ideal for close environments like caravans and motorhomes. And the edge-to-edge display offers more screen, while taking up less space in your van. FALCON also have a range of accessories for the FALCON WebOS TV range, including carry cases, protecting your TV from bumps and scratches in transit, with pockets to store accessories. And Bluetooth soundbars. The 30-watt immersive soundbar can be mounted underneath the TV and connect to the TV via Bluetooth or optical cable to offer an even richer sound quality. If you are looking to upgrade your camping TV to the next level with all the latest features, stunning picture, rich audio and all input options, the FALCON WebOS Camping TV is the system you are looking for. Life made easy by FALCON.